morning, class. I hope you all are well. In the previous 2 and 3 days, we have studied and learned lots of things. And now, today we will learn something new and more about an interrogative sentence. Okay, let us start. Interrogative sentence. First of all, we will know the definition of an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is one that asks a direct question and always ends with a question mark. Right? For example, has Savan completed his homework? Right? Means an interrogative sentence is that interrogative sentence वो होती है जो डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस आस्क करते हैं एंड एंड होते हैं एक क्वेश्चन मार्क से. राइट? लेट अस नो द आइडेंटिफिकेशन of an interrogative sentence. First one is how we will identify. You can always see the two thing whenever you see or encounter an interrogative sentence. First one is before there should be a helping verb. Before subject, main verb. And the second one is in the last of a sentence. In the last of a sentence, there should be a mark of interrogation. Right? Of the interrogative sentence. What is the structure? You have to put it helping verb before the subject. So write like this: helping verb plus subject dot 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 plus in the last mark of interrogation. Use of interrogative sentence to ask questions. For example, why is Abhi Arya not coming to tuition? right? And you can answer in an assertive sentence. Okay. There is some exception to this sentence. Exception is if, exception number first, if the sentence starts with who, अगर who से सेंटेंस की स्टार्टिंग हो तो जनरली ये जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाला फॉर्मूला है, फंडा है, ये इसके साथ काम नहीं करेगा। इन जनरल मीन्स सामान्य तौर पे ऐसे कहीं कहीं हो सकती है। जैसे एग्जाम्पल में, हु हैज़ secured 100% marks, right? Exception number second, if, or you can write like this, why या why plus not, if the sentence starts with this. For example, why Mohan comes late is not known to me. And if I write here or give here a mark of interrogation, then it will be wrong. I will tell you the reason. You will have to write like this: why Mohan comes late is not known to me. And there should be a full stop. If you give, then it will be right. Why it is wrong and why it is right? Because whenever you start any sentence with question word or WH family, and you are writing or making it an interrogative sentence, then you will have to put helping verb after WH family. But here is no any helping verb after why. So this is wrong here to put sign of interrogation, and it will be right to say an assertive sentence because it is a noun clause, right? This is our subject and this is our verb and this is an assertive sentence, right? I hope it is clear. Kinds of an interrogative sentence. It is of three types or kinds. First one is yes या no questions. Example, is your brother coming to school daily? You can answer simply in yes or no. If yes, then yes. If no, then no. Second, question word question. Question word question. जैसे For example, why is Divya Jyoti scolding Abhi Arya? Right? And you can answer it in assertive. He has done something that she did not like. And the third one and the last, choice questions. Choice question, for example, do you want pasta or pizza? What do you want? You can answer one, anything. For me, pasta. Right? How to form the three interrogative sentence. First one is yes or no question. Structure is auxiliary verb plus subject plus क्वेश्चन मार्क. जैसे कैन प्रिया सिंग, कैन सोनाली पास द एग्जामिनेशन. और is Anjali ready to sing? Here is the helping verb. First helping verb. This is our subject. This is subject, and the other thing main verb. This is our helping verb. This is our subject, and this is our main verb. It is a B form, so there will no any main verb, right? Second, question word question. Question word question. First one is a structure. A structure. Question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject dot 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 in the last mark of interrogation. For example, why? Question word. Why is Abhi Arya not talking to Krishna? Right? This is our question word and this is our helping verb and this is our subject, right? The third one, formation of choice क्वेश्चन, चॉइस क्वेश्चन का। जैसे व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर? स्ट्रक्चर इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस मेन वर्ब प्लस you have to put here the choice number 1 noun first plus or plus noun second choice number second. Never ever put any infinitive 2 plus b1, never ever. For example, does Priya want an apple or mango? Right? You can simply answer whatsoever. For example, if you take an example with V verb, were you happy or sad? So it's a B form, so you will never see any main verb in normal sentences. Here is the helping verb and it's a subject and it's our main verb, right? This was all your on